Here's how to create this epic star trail effect using the Insta360 ONE RS 1" 360. Let's go! For this shot, I am using the Best 360 clamp and the Best 360 selfie stick. Go to interval mode and use the 21 megapixel and 30-second interval setting, shutter speed 30 seconds, ISO 800, and white balance 5000 Kelvin. Clamp the ONE RS 1" onto a railing and press record. You might want to attach a power bank to the camera because you need to wait a minimum of 3 hours for the Starlapse to complete, and the more you can wait, the better the result will be. In the Insta360 app, go to Edit and choose the Starlapse template, tap Use this theme, select the Starlapse and tap Next. Make sure Star Trails is selected, wait for the app to process the video, tap Edit Further, swipe the view to face the stars and add a keyframe, then go to the end of the video, add a keyframe, and use the wide field of view for the zoom in effect. Go to Speed, Entire Clip, and speed up the video until it's less than 7 seconds long. Export the video, and that's it.